Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're looking at the Lynx Apple Watch magnetic charger for the Apple Watch. This is by Scosche, and you can see it's official because they have the made for symbol right there. This will work with the Vert, the QI charging, and this is the Apple Watch charger piece right here, along with the end cap. So here it is right here. It comes with the Apple Watch charging puck included, so you do not have to include it or take it apart from your charging area. This is an extra one altogether. This is an Apple Watch right here, and it attaches nicely right there to start charging. And if you want it completely flat, you just move it down and it will charge just like that. So it's very easy to use. And then here you go on the side. That's the charging port right there. And then this side also comes off just like this, and then it plugs into the other pieces for your modular system called Lynx right here. So altogether you can have it vertical or you can have it completely horizontal for nighttime, so you can see the clock and the date and the charge level as well. This is the Lynx watch, Apple Watch charger kit from Scosche. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.